Meta opened AI's gate, lost the lead, then returned with a velvet rope and a second entrance. This isn't a scrappy newcomer story. Meta launched FAIR in late 2013 with Yann LeCun, years before generative AI became every boardroom's favorite emergency. Then came PyTorch, created by Meta in the AI community. It became core research infrastructure. While Meta kept publishing work others could actually inspect and extend. The pattern was simple. Meta published research, developers adapted it, and the ecosystem carried it farther. The gate stayed open. Llama arrived in February 2023 as a research release with downloadable model weights. Access was controlled and non-commercial, but researchers could finally hold the model itself. Llama 2 widened that opening in July 2023 by allowing research and commercial use. Suddenly, building on Meta's model didn't require your legal department to hyperventilate. What did that unlock for you? Local inference, fine-tuning, and community tools including Llama.cpp, which runs language models across a wide range of hardware. By July 2024, Meta called Llama 3.1 405B the first frontier-level open model. Its weights could be customized and run without sending data to Meta. Then momentum broke. Llama 4 shipped Scout and Maverick in April 2025, while the much larger Behemoth remained in training. The lead moved on. Meta's own announcement promised a new era naturally. Yet its most powerful model was still a preview, and the company's next move wasn't another cheerful Llama release. The reset started with Scale AI. In June 2025, Meta made an investment valuing Scale above $29 billion, expanded the partnership, and recruited founder Alexander Wang. Was this just expensive org chart therapy? Meta's answer arrived in April 2026. Muse Spark, the first model from Meta Superintelligence Labs, after rebuilding its AI stack. That rebuild took 9 months, according to Meta. Spark powered Meta AI, but outside developers only received a private API preview for select partners. Velvet Rope installed. Why close the flagship after years of openness? Meta doesn't publish a neat confession. Spark instead prioritizes Meta's own assistant, apps, and glasses before broad developer access. Distribution is Meta's unfair advantage. Its assistant already spans WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, the web, and AI glasses. A model upgrade can reach users without winning an API migration. Then Meta reopened a side gate. On August 10, 2026, it released Muse Glimmer's weights under Apache 2.0, a permissive license without Llama's custom branding and scale restrictions. Now Meta has 2 lanes. Spark stays controlled and powers its products. Glimmer carries distilled Spark capabilities onto local hardware. Closed teacher, open weight student. Here's the strategic twist. Meta can use a private frontier effort to create smaller public models. Openness becomes ecosystem acquisition, while the strongest model remains inside Meta's products. Has Meta retaken the frontier? No. Meta calls Glimmer generally less capable than Spark, while Spark lacks publicly comparable benchmark results. You can verify releases, not leadership. Meta hasn't won back AI. It has started shipping with purpose again. One guarded lane, one open gate. Speed decides what happens next.